I just want to remind everybody, with winter bearing down on us, especially here in the north, you want to make sure that you've inspected your sump pump discharge line. Have a plumber come run a camera through it. If you're local in our area, call our office. We'll run a camera through your sump line. I recommend doing it once every 5 years. If there's iron ock or mineral buildup in it, we can catch it, jet it out before it ends up plugging the pipe solid. Once the mineral deposits get hard, it'll become like concrete. We can't jet it out once it becomes like concrete. So every 5 years, make sure you inspect your sump pump discharge line. Now, you need to go around your home and you need to check all your downspouts. And even the people that are watching this video who did their own downspouts, and I get it, you're going, all right, man, I'm already done. I took care of business. I got clean outs. It ran 25 feet away from my house. Make sure, whether it's a pop-up, whether it's a 6-inch speedy basin, a 9x9 square, a 12x12, make sure the grass did not grow over it. What's going to happen if you don't maintain those outlets for your roof runoff system, you're going to end up with grass growing over it, and then the water, when it can't outlet, it'll just cascade over the gutter, and you'll actually end up with water in your basement because all that water off the rooftop is now just cascading down right along the foundation of your home. So make that a routine. Every fall, check your downspouts. Make sure that they're able to outlet any water that's coming off the roof. Again, get everything ready this winter. Make sure you're protected. Make sure those downspouts are outlet. The grass didn't grow over them. They didn't get barked over. If you can't find the outlet to your downspout, that right there tells you everything you need to know. You're going to end up in trouble. So you need to find that outlet, or have somebody come run a camera through it, or a utility tracker to track it, or just plain have it redone. All right, everybody, until the next video.